YouTube currently changed how short monetization works, and a lot of creators are already confused about it. Some are excited, some are disappointed, and the truth is that most of them don't even know or realize what has changed yet. Do you understand? So if you are still posting YouTube shorts in 2026, then please keep watching this video because it's going to be very helpful for you, and you need to hear all of the informations in this video. Now, if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Joy, and on this channel I create videos about tips and strategies to grow your YouTube channel. So if you like this kind of things, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comments. If you have any questions, if you have any challenges in your channel, let me know and I will help you fix it, okay? And lastly, also share to other creators so that they can learn from this short updates, okay? I've got other videos that can actually help you. Just go ahead and check my playlist, okay? Now, whether shorts are your main target or maybe you just post them once in a while, right? This matters a lot, whether you post it as a main content or not. You need to know this new update, okay? It's actually a new update. Now, before now, short used to work in a very specific way, okay? Now, when you upload a short before, YouTube don't count every scroll as a view. Do you understand? A view can only be counted after someone has engaged and watched for a certain amount of time. Do you understand? That's what we used to call an engaged views. That's what YouTube paid creators for. Those fewer views actually meant something. Do you understand? Now, here's what has changed about YouTube Shorts and how the engagement is now perceived. YouTube has adjusted how short views are counted. And this is where a lot of people are getting confused. Like, today, almost every exposure counts as a view. Okay? Now, when somebody scroll past your shot, that's a count or that's a view. That's how it's happening right now. When somebody pauses for a split second, it's still a view. Do you understand? So, all of a sudden, creators are seeing much higher views in their shots like never before. Numbers are increasing than what they usually have, and that's where the problem lies. Do you understand? Because higher views doesn't automatically means higher earnings at this point. You would expect that if you have higher views, your earnings will be big, right? But that's not how it works now. This is the part you really need to understand, because there's a difference between being seen and being watched. That's the difference right now. Okay, that's the new update, guys. For example, 20 people saw your shorts or they came across your shorts while they were scrolling on their phone. That's exposure. But if only 3 people or 5 people stopped and watched it and engaged, reacted, they commented and they liked and even share, those people are the ones that really matters. They are the ones that YouTube will see. The other 20 doesn't even count. So even if YouTube shows your videos to 10,000 people on that particular video, your monetization is still driven mainly by the engagement that you get from that video, not just the visibility. Now, the engaged people that actually watched, that's where your payment is coming from. So when creators open the analytics and they see that I got a lot of views, how come my earnings did not accumulate as much? It is because of these updates. Not all views are equal anymore. YouTube may count the scroll, but it only rewards the interaction and engagement on that video, like the likes, the comments, the shares, and the watch time you got from that video. Do you understand? So even if 100 people saw it, if only 10 engaged, that is the one YouTube is going to count for you and pay for you. That's the signal YouTube cares about. So if you're a new creator, this update can actually help you to understand how short works and know where you stand. This is basically what this update is about. So if you don't understand it early, it's a problem, and that's why I'm making this video, to enlighten you, because you might think you are doing amazing and getting views because it looks high, but if people are just scrolling past without watching, then your revenue will not reflect those numbers, guys. That is why you have to put strategies in place. Do you understand? And at this point, strategies matter more than ever, guys. Those strategies include creating good videos that can actually keep people watching. Do you understand? So in order for you to stay safe and to make much from your shorts, stop chasing views, guys, and start designing shorts that can actually retain viewers for a long time. Now, your first 5-10 seconds matters a lot. Your pacing, your hook, and even your editing matters a lot, because the more people stay to watch or engage with your videos, the more valuable those videos become and those views actually become as well. Now, even if you get 100,000 scrolls with this update and it's only 1,000 people that are engaged, that's the one that will count for you, the 1,000. Now, that's the new update about shorts. So if you are creating shorts in 2026, like I said before, remember this: visibility gets you noticed, engagement gets you paid. Visibility gets you noticed and engagement gets you paid. So create a short that will spark engagement and give you all that you want, unless you're not ready to get paid enough for your effort. And I'm sure you don't want that. So now that you understand this update and how it works, I'm sure you'll be able to put it to good use, guys. If there is more that you don't understand about this video, let me know in the comments. Okay, I'll respond to it, guys. My subscribers know that I always respond to every comment, and that's because I cherish my community and I'm here to help us grow as small creators. So if you have any other challenges aside this video, let me know in the comments. I can easily make a video about it just for you, and it will be a result for you and for other creators as well. Lastly, if this video has helped you, please, you have to engage this video. Okay, if it has helped you to understand short monetization and latest updates, please share. Okay, share to creators who are also posting here on YouTube, like and comment, and as well subscribe, turn on your notification bells so that whenever I drop a video like this, you'll be easily notified and you'll be among the first people to watch it. Okay, I share updates like this every time on my channel. Go ahead and check my other videos, guys. Thank you for watching to this point. I really appreciate it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.